If you make anime with AI, which model should you actually be using? Because this is what one of the biggest names in AI art did with a single 2-character prompt. 2 characters. It gave me 1.5. Same words, same settings, different model. So I ran 3 of them through 4 brutal tests, the hard, messy prompts real anime creators use, not easy single portraits. And the last test, it broke 2 of them completely. Stick around for that one. Real quick, so nobody calls this rigged. Same prompt for every model, run a few times each, not one lucky pick, nothing tweaked. For ChatGPT, I used its newest image model, GPT-Image 2. For Gemini, the latest free one, Gemini 3.5 Flash, with its nano banana image generation. Both are free, so you can run every one of these yourself. Going up against them, Tsubaki.2, PixAI's model built only for anime. Fair fight. Let's go. All right, let's start with test 1, where a lot of models fail because the prompt asks for a lot at once. 2 people, layered clothes, a robotic part, a busy background. Here's the prompt. Watch 3 things. Do both characters survive or merge? Do the layers stay clean? Is the robot leg attached or floating? ChatGPT kept both characters and every item. Moody, detailed, the most intricate clockwork leg of the 3. Gemini, the cleanest, flattest raid. Everything's there, just a little plain next to the others. Tsubaki.2, the richest layered kimono and the most polished anime finish. The asymmetric design holding without melting. Honestly, no loser here. All 3 nailed the brief, but here's the thing. Keeping shapes apart, that's the easy part. Test 2. This is the sneaky one, where looks amazing and actually correct stop being the same thing. So I gave all 3 an aquarium tunnel. Curved glass, water, light bending through it. Easy to fake. Hard to get right. Watch the light. Does the water bend right? Do reflections line up? Does the curved glass make sense? Or just look pretty until you stare at it? ChatGPT, the clearest sense of real space. The tunnel structure and depth read best, reflection solid. Gemini, clean and correct. The reflection lines up and the fish stay behind the glass just a touch flat. Tsubaki.2, the most atmospheric by a mile. The light on her face and the caustics are gorgeous and the depth holds. 3 strong results, the gaps smaller than you'd think. Okay, so it handles a still scene. But anime isn't still, it moves. And motion? That's where almost every one of these tools quietly falls apart. Test 3, motion. Can the model show real movement, or does every action shot look like a frozen pose? Hardest thing to fake. Same prompt, all 3, 2 things. Does she actually feel like she's moving? Hair, cloak, blade trail? And do the sparks and rain hit with force or just sit there? ChatGPT, the flashiest, glowing trail, a real spark burst, hair and cloak flying, and it stayed in anime. Gemini, and here's the catch from the intro. It bailed on anime completely for a photoreal movie still. Dynamic, sure, but not what an anime creator asked for. Tsubaki.2, clean anime motion with the clearest direction. You can read the swing, the hair follows it, the sparks land like impact. So there's the first real split. Stay in anime or drift out of it. Now, single images are one thing, but here's the test I was actually waiting for, the one barely any tool on Earth can do. And it's where 2 of these completely fell apart. Last one, test 4, Manga. Most tools make 1 image at a time, but Manga needs the same character in every panel, with a story that actually moves forward. Here's the prompt. 1 thing, is it the same person in every panel? Face, hair, scar? And does it read top to bottom like a real page? Here's the twist. ChatGPT and Gemini both built actual story pages. Backgrounds, sound effects, the moment moving panel to panel, and ChatGPT especially reads like a real manga page. Gemini's holds up too, with a tiny bit of garbled text. Tsubaki.2 nailed the thing Manga lives or dies on. The same face, every single panel, rock solid. But this run gave me a clean character sheet, not a full page with backgrounds. So nobody ran away with this one. Different strengths, the general tools for the page, Tsubaki for the character holding together, and that actually points to something bigger. A manga page is a one-time layout, but a real creative project means running that same character through dozens of scenes, outfits, and poses consistently. That's exactly what PixAI's Reference Pro is built for. You give it your reference images, it locks onto the character's face and visual identity, and every new generation you run keeps that character recognizable. It's a dimension of control that ChatGPT and Gemini simply don't have. Oh, and quick thing. PixAI lets you open other people's prompts and settings and remix them. So if you like a layout, you don't start from zero, you just tweak it. Here's the honest takeaway. In 2026, ChatGPT and Gemini are genuinely incredible. I'm not knocking them, they did real work today. But they're built to do everything. PixAI is built for one thing, anime. Its own in-house models, over 10 million people on the platform, and a community that shares and remixes settings. Tsubaki.2's edge isn't winning at everything. It's that it never drifts out of anime, holds a character the steadiest, and gives you the most control. And there's a whole layer these tests didn't even touch. PixAI has thousands of community-built LoRAs, style packs you can apply in one click to get a specific character look, art style, or aesthetic. That's not something you can do in ChatGPT or Gemini at all. Oh, and it does anime videos too. Different tools, different jobs. So, which one's best? Wrong question. It depends on what you make. Need one tool for a bit of everything? ChatGPT or Gemini easily? They're brilliant all-rounders. Want true anime? Staying in style, clean character art, the same face across a whole project? That's Tsubaki.2's lane, and it's the most consistent of the three. Manga? Honestly, all three can get you there now. The general tools for fuller pages. Tsubaki for rock-solid character consistency to build on. They're not solving the same problem. So don't ask which one wins. Ask which one fits what you make. PixAI has over 10 million users and gives you free credits every day. Tsubaki.2 is right there waiting. Links in the description and the pinned comment. So go run these exact prompts yourself and see what you get. Subscribe if you want more of these head-to-head tests. That's it for today. Catch you in the next one.